Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new. Today we're going to be reviewing the Beautyblender foundation, the Bounce foundation. I recently picked this up because it's actually on sale at Sephora right now for $20, so go pick it up. I think that they're going to switch to like a regular packaging. Because, like, usually when a brand does, like, a certain thing on sale, usually means they're going to switch it out for something else. Yeah. Or they're just not selling it now because the whole controversy around it. But I'm going to try it out because I'm excited. I heard a lot of people do like it. It's just, like, their whole thing that they start with, whack. Okay, so it's normally retails for $40, but it's 50% off at Sephora right now for $20. Let's see. 2, 4, 8, 9. I think it's got like 40 shades, around 40, a little bit less. Okay, so this is what it says. This foundation is supposed to be a weightless, buildable, full coverage foundation with a natural matte finish that wears for up to 24 hours. It's full coverage, natural finish, liquid formulation. It says it's for all skin types. We will see. I do get pretty oily here. Well, just here and here. Honestly, just my T-zone. Okay, so it's got hyaluronic acid to attract moisture to the skin. It's antioxidant rich. Honestly, I think all these ingredients are... I mean, I guess they're good, but in makeup, I don't really care. Yeah. So it's just going to be my first impressions because I've never finagled with this foundation, like literally ever. So we're just going to see how it wears. And it's got... Where's the stars? It's got 4 stars. So I think it's pretty good. So we're going to try it out. I'm going to prime first. And I always say on my channel, if your sunscreen is not your primer, then fix your life. So I'm going to use the Survival Neon 30 for my sunscreen. Oh, I'll usually do like about 2 pumps. I like this foundation, or this thing, the sunscreen, because it usually mattifies my nose really well. So I like using it for there. And then I'll usually just go here. It does give me a bit of a white cast because it is a mineral sunscreen, but with foundation, I don't really care. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Nice and smooth. Don't forget your eyelids. This makes a great eyeshadow primer too. Like an invisible one. Kills it. Why do I feel like I have no eyebrows right now? Ugh. Okay. Next step. I got my Beautyblender wet. I have been using this a lot for foundation and concealer. So first what I like to do is do some concealer under my eye. Because it said more, it's more of like, what did it say? Like natural matte or something? I'm gonna go in with more of a matte concealer. Because I'm actually not going to set my face. Oh my god, where's my concealer at? Okay, this is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. They're killing it. I know they recently had a sale on their concealer, and I low-key wish I bought it, but we just all can't have that, you know? So I'll put a little bit there, a little bit there. Okay, just like that. Gotta work fast because this does dry pretty quick. So I like to start off with my concealer because it helps brighten the under eye and it looks less crepey under there. because there's obviously no product there yet, so there's nothing to build up. Okay. Oh, did I even say what foundation shade I am? I am 360. I honestly, so I first went in and then I got the wrong shade. And then I went back. I think I got the wrong shade twice, honestly. And then I got this one. And I was like, I like swatched it on my face and it came out a little bit yellow, but that was before I blended it. So I actually don't know. Hopefully it matches. Okay. So far looks good. Then onto the foundation. Okay, so this is supposed to like pump and squirt into this thing. I think that's disgusting. So I'll just like do that. Yeah, and it's even got a little lock mechanism back here. So like if it's in your bag, yeah, see? You can't. But then you like unlock it and then it just comes out. So I'm gonna do one pump. Ooh, that looks like a little doo-doo. So that is one pump. I'm actually gonna go in with my finger, which is thick. And then I usually like to dot it. That way I can spread it out. And then I'll blend it out with my sponge. I don't like to go a lot on my forehead because my hair does cover it. So I'll just do like that. Okay, and then I'll take the butt of the Beautyblender and bounce. I feel like I might need 2 pumps. Let's see. No, this is honestly a really good color. I thought it was going to be way too golden for me, but blended out, it looks really nice. Yeah, I think I'm going to need 2 pump and dumps for this. Maybe I won't use. Maybe I'll just use 1 pump. Because, I mean, so far my skin looks really good. I just need to blend it out a little more. I'm just so used to going, like, super mega full coverage that it just, like, gets ridiculous. Okay, so with a sponge, it's obviously gonna, like, take more product from you. So using a brush might be better, which is kind of ironic because this is literally the Beautyblender. You would think that they would make it so it like doesn't absorb that much product, but I feel like it kind of does. Or maybe just one pump isn't enough. That's squirt out. Okay. Okay, my skin has some luminosity to it, but it's like a dry matte. It's like a soft. It is like a natural matte actually. So good on them for not lying. Then what I like to do is get my concealer again, and over the top I will just highlight the bridge of my nose, like here. And then I'll go in with the tip of my sponge and just pounce it. I feel like this is like reverse contouring because you actually don't have to contour your nose, and then the highlight kind of just does it for you. And then I'll bring it all the way down. Yeah. You see how it just like gives it a nice little shape? Is this the color? Okay, my arm's definitely darker, but like my neck kind of looks like that color, right? Right. I look a little ghostly, I feel. I feel like I need a little bit of a warmth in this. I probably will go all over my face with some bronzer, but first, yeah. So far, let's talk about this foundation. Looks very nice, very skin-like. This was one pump, don't forget. So far looks good. Yeah, my skin looks like skin, you know? Not luminous and not matte. Just satin, right in the center, which is like perfect for foundations. Okay, so far so good. I will finish everything else and I will be right